Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra today alleged irregularities in the NET 2024 results and sought a probe to resolve legitimate complaints. Taking to her official X handle, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra stated, "First, the NET exam paper was leaked, and now students are alleging that there has been a scam in its results as well. Serious questions are being raised because 6 students from the same center scored 720 out of 720, and various irregularities are coming to light." On the other hand, after the results were announced, there have been reports of several students committing suicide across the country. This is very tragic and shocking. Why is the government ignoring the voices of millions of students? Students need answers to the legitimate questions related to the NET exam result irregularities. Isn't it the government's responsibility to investigate and address these valid complaints?
नीट का रिजल्ट आने के बाद देश भर में कई विद्यार्थियों की आत्महत्या की खबरें आई। ये हमारे लिए बहुत दुख की बात है और आप सब जानते हैं इस देश में 1 घंटे में 2 जवान जो है आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं। सरकार को इस बात को गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए। सिर्फ चुनाव से पहले परीक्षा पर चर्चा करने से नहीं होगा। चुनाव के बाद जब सरकार बनती है तो परीक्षा को लेकर के जो गड़बड़ियां देश में हो रही है उसको इमीडिएटली एड्रेस करना चाहिए। नीट का जहां तक सवाल है, इसमें 3 मुद्दे जो है प्रमुखता से निकल करके सामने आए हैं। पहला, बड़े पैमाने पे जो है धांधली हुई है। कई जगह पे जो है प्रश्न पत्र लीक होने का आरोप भी हुआ है, जैसे पटना में कुछ गिरफ्तारियां हुई हैं। और तीसरा, अजीबोगरीब परिणाम आए हैं, जैसे 67 लोग जो हैं उनका रैंक 1 है। एक ही सेंटर के जो कई लोग जिनका सीरियल नंबर 1 है और लगातार एक रो में बैठे हुए हैं, उनका रैंक 1 आया है। तो उसको लेकर के इस देश के विद्यार्थियों का एक कंसर्न है। सरकार जो है तुरंत इसको एड्रेस करे। और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने, हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष ने मांग किया है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट की निगरानी में नीट को लेकर के जो है निष्पक्ष जांच होनी चाहिए।
On the other hand, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar also questioned the BJP government and the National Testing Agency over the alleged irregularities in the conduct and the declaration of results of the National Eligibility Cum-Entrance Test. On the other hand, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar also questioned the BJP government and the National Testing Agency over the alleged irregularities in the conduct and the declaration of results of the National Eligibility Cum-Entrance Test. Questioning the results, Shivkumar said that the future of 24 lakh NET aspirants lies in uncertainty. Why is BJP government quiet? Why is NTA quiet? NET results point towards definite foul play, the Deputy Chief Minister said in a post on X. Shivkumar also sought an explanation from the authorities regarding some factors regarding the results of the NET. 67 aspirants got 720 by 720 scores, when in the past only 1 or 2 aspirants topped the exam. 67 toppers despite NET having a negative marking system? 44 toppers out of 67 have become toppers due to grace marks. Surprisingly, the toppers with serial numbers 62 and 67 come from the same examination center in Faridabad, Haryana. Shivkumar said most NET aspirants come from humble backgrounds and such huge foul play puts a big dent in their aspirations to become doctors. Who is going to be held responsible for denying them a fair chance of becoming doctors? He asked. Shivkumar further questioned why the NET result was announced unexpectedly on 4 June instead of the expected date, 14 June. This obvious foul play in the NET results has resulted in aspirants committing suicides, which should make our heads hang in shame. Our children are paying the price of corruption through their lives. Who is to be held accountable for that? He asked. The future of our children is at stake, and the government is not bothered. The nation needs answers, our children need answers.